Imagine this. Instead of stressing about a crowded restaurant reservation or cramming everyone around a tiny dining table inside, this Thanksgiving you host a magical celebration right in your own backyard. Warm lighting, beautiful tables, cozy fall decor, and memories your family will talk about for years. Hi, my name is Tasha, the owner of Event Elegance Rentals, and today I'm going to show you step by step how to transform your backyard into an elegant event space for Thanksgiving without spending a fortune or lifting a finger. Whether you're hosting 10 people or 50, this guide will help you create an unforgettable full gathering. Step 1 is planning your layout. Even the most stunning decor won't matter if the space feels cluttered or chaotic. First, measure your backyard and decide where your main event space will be. This includes dining, lounging, and possibly a drink or dessert station. Think about flow. Guests should be able to walk easily from the food area to the seating space without bumping into chairs or decor. At Event Elegance Rentals, we help clients design their space layout for free when they rent tables and chairs. Once your layout is set, the next step is choosing the right furniture. For Thanksgiving, long banquet tables create that family feast feeling. If you prefer a more intimate vibe, round tables encourage conversation. And don't overlook your seating. Classic Chavari chairs instantly elevate the look. You don't need to buy anything. Renting from us at Event Elegance Rentals saves you storage space, money, and setup stress. This is where the magic happens. Linens transform plain tables into a designer-worthy tablescape. Go for rich fall tones like burnt orange, deep burgundy, forest green, or gold. Add texture with a velvet or satin runner down the center of your table. Mixing patterns and solids is very on trend this season. Next up, decor. Use natural elements like pumpkins, pine cones, eucalyptus garlands, or wheat bundles for a rustic, elegant look. Mix candles and lanterns at different heights to create warmth and ambiance. Don't forget metallic touches. Gold charger plates or copper candle holders bring that luxe feel. Lighting can completely change the mood of your event. Drape string lights overhead to make your backyard feel like an outdoor dining room. Place lanterns along pathways and around seating areas. If you have a fire pit, light it up. It becomes an instant gathering spot. The final touches are all about guest comfort. Add cozy blankets on each chair for chilly evenings. Rent outdoor heaters to extend your time outdoors comfortably. Set up a drink station away from the main table to encourage guests to mingle. And just like that, you've turned your backyard into a warm, welcoming, and elegant Thanksgiving celebration space. At Event Elegance Rentals, we deliver everything you need from tables, chairs, and linens to decor pieces so you can focus on hosting, not hustling. Ready to start planning your backyard Thanksgiving transformation? Call us today at 813-575-0272 or visit eventelegancerentals.com. Don't forget to use promo code FINAL5 for a special fall discount.